Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing and Junk. As you can see, I'm still in my work clothes. I just got off work. I decided to come by this little creek right here because I've been wanting to try out the Strike King Bitsy Minnow. So here today I have 3 of the Strike King Bitsy Minnows. You can see they're not much bigger than a quarter. I've got the Tennessee shad, sexy shad, and fire tiger. I'm gonna get over here in that little creek right there and see if I can catch a few panfish before it gets too late. Fishing and Junk! And what I'm fishing this on is just my little Shakespeare 4'6" ultralight, and I just have a little cheap size 10 reel I got from wish.com. There we go. Whoa, that's a nice one. What do we got here? Got a little bass. Wow. Nice little chunky bass. This guy's been eating really good. He's got a fat little belly on him. And got that on the Strike King Bitsy Minnow. Alright, nice little chunky creek bass. That was a nice little fat one right there. I was hoping to catch some bluegill out of here. Kind of figured this little area would be full of them. I think I'm gonna change this one out for the sexy shad color, and let's see how it does. I use these little Norman Lures clips on here. They really help when you're just trying to change out your colors real fast and trying to find out what they may be biting better. See, it creates the little O-ring on there for it. Oh, there we go in the tree. Let's see, maybe if I come over here on this side. I am not believing that came out of the tree. I'll be honest. I cannot believe that came out of the tree. I thought for sure that was a break off right there. I feel like I'm playing with fire a little bit moving over here. I'm gonna get hung up in these trees, you just wait. Alright, that's what we were after. Up. There he goes, come on. Come on, little buddy, get in there. Go, you can make it. Go, buddy. Get in there, get in there, get in there. He's gone. Alright, well that's what we're after though. Alright, here we go. Got me a nice little bluegill there. Fat sucker, boy. Man, I wish I had my hemostats with me. Dang it, I'm gonna have to go back and get my hemostats out of the truck. So we got a nice little bluegill here. That's the danger of using those little tiny treble hooks. They're hard to get out. But that's a pretty little fish right there. Okay guys, we've all been in this situation before. I keep getting bites. I know I need to get home because the wife's waiting on me. She's probably already got supper ready. But I want to catch that one more fish. I gotta get one more. Alright, well I just couldn't give up without catching a couple more fish, so now I've switched over to a jig head and a power bait minnow. So I want to try to catch at least one or two more before I have to go home. Well, that didn't waste any time right there. I got a bite immediately on the first cast. Now these fish may be a little smaller in here, so I may have to downsize this a little bit, but that seemed very promising. So I'm downsizing that a little bit because I got a few little strikes on it that time. Actually on the first cast out. There we go. Since the fish were so small in here, downsizing it was definitely the way to go. And they were definitely interested in this presentation over the Strike King Bitsy Minnow. Now guys, I came out and caught a few fish after work this afternoon. I had a good time. I'm really surprised I didn't catch more. I thought this little hole right here would hold a lot more fish. But as always, I had a blast. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, get out there and cast your cares away.